Alright guys, I am currently running a 285 7017 on my 2005 Toyota 4Runner. These guys, the 285s, they're gonna rub a little bit. No matter what you do, they're gonna rub just a little bit, and they're gonna rub mainly here in the front. Now, I've done a poor job on cutting mine, but if you're better than I am, it'll look a lot better than that. I'm still making cuts, so hopefully I can make this look a lot better and not so bad. But yeah, I'm currently running a Maxxis Razor MTs. Absolutely love this tire. It's done great. Great performance in the mud, dirt, even the snow. I've took this thing out and it's performed really well on this truck. On the road, it's not too loud for mud terrain. A lot of mud terrains are pretty loud. These guys are not. They're actually pretty quiet compared to most mud terrains. They're still noisy, but not as bad as most. And then I'm running some Rock Trick racing wheels. Love these guys. I like the setup. Very affordable, wheel, a good quality. I definitely recommend you check them out. Their website, great stuff there. So yeah, guys. Let's see, suspension. I'm currently running a Bilstein 5100 setup, front and back, with a 3-inch coilovers. And with that setup, I'm able to pretty much run these tires. Gives it a good stance with the truck. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know below in the comments. Thanks, guys.